You really have to do the audible version of your book because that's really the only chance you've got for anyone to take in your true message because nobody reads. I'll tell you a quick story about one of my mentors. One day when we were living in the big 3,000 square foot villa I built in the Hollywood Hills and I came home from running an errand, I went to my mailbox and I opened it up and there were 3 padded envelopes in there. One of them was from Books A Million and I ripped it open and in there was a book by one of my mentors. And the next padded envelope had the same book from another book company. And the next one had a book from another book company. It was the same book that I got 3 times in the mailbox and I didn't order any of them. It was marketing. Because the next day I got 3 more. And the next day I got 1 more. I got 7 copies of the book. And I opened the first one to try to read this book. And it was so bad, I couldn't get more than a paragraph into this book. It was so bad. And then at the end of the week, I got an email from this mentor. Hey everybody, I am so grateful for all of your help in making me so proud to be able to announce that my new book is the #1 book on the New York Times bestseller list. Thank you, I couldn't have done it without your help. I was a $10,000 client of this guy. All of his high-level clients got these books sent to him, purchased by him, sent by him in the mail. That's a clue about the New York Times bestseller list. And why would a person do that? Because a book is marketing.